Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here to show you my year one lock journey. So this is month one, and it's actually like the day that I decided I was gonna lock. I two-strand twisted my hair and I just never took them out again. And I also recorded a video that day, so I'm gonna show you that right now. Hey, just coming here to record my locks. I'm locking again. It's my third go around with locks. And I decided, so I'm just gonna go off a two-strand twist. Difference between now and on my other two lock journeys is that I have way less locks. I'm only starting with 44, as opposed to my last two times, and I'll try to insert some pictures. But the last two times I had like 100. It was over 100. Too much. And I would never wear them like all down. I would wear them up and pull my edges. Another difference this time is that I'm not going to be retwisting all the time. I used to retwist probably at least once every 2 weeks, and I snatched these edges, honey. I snatched these edges to the point where it was starting to be bad. Alright, I'll check in with you guys later. Alright, now we are still in month one. Pretty much just washed my hair and let it go. I didn't do any retwist or anything. I decided that this journey was going to be semi-freeform, so I was just trying things out at this point. And then we get into month two, pretty much looks like month one. So hair is still not fully locked yet. I started pulling my hair back into like two little ponytails. So as you can see, the fuzzies have taken over. This is about, let's see, I started October 1st. So October, November, 2.5 months. And I washed it last night. Didn't really retwist. Just sat under the dryer, oiled it and stuff. And this is what you get. All right, now we are getting into month three. So I decided that I needed extension locks. So that is what I did. I gave myself extension locks. It was fairly simple to do. And then I just started playing around with them, putting them up in buns. I just needed something to get me through the rough months. So I decided to do extension locks. And then here I started to retwist. We're getting into month four now. I retwisted with the extension locks in. And then that day I decided to wear them down, all down, which I rarely did. And then we get into month five, and I am doing like two little buns in the back. So I just decided to do, different styles with them. This is month six. This must be my favorite, one of my favorite pictures with my lock extensions. I just want to come in and say that I'm like 6.5 months locked. I still have my extension locks in. Some of my hair though, like this one. So my real hair is probably this long because I pulled, or one of the extension locks fell out. So this is real right here. So the extension locks are not that much longer. But anyway, I've had times when I've said I need to just take them out completely because I'm so done with the extension locks. But I kept them in and I'm glad. So this is 6.5 months. If you could see, I just pulled it back. I like them. I like them today. All right, so now we are getting into month seven, still with the lock extensions. I had days where I was completely over them, but I just decided to keep them in until, like a little while longer. And this is now month eight. I was able to put them up in a ponytail. And then I also graduated in my month eight, and, I wore them down under my cap. And then I decided to take them out, and I was so happy. So I took out my extensions today. I just pulled them on out. The ends are a little straggly because they were locked up in the extension, right? But when I wash them, they'll become more solid, should I say. So yeah, it looks kind of crazy. I need to wash it, but I'm not. Um, so yeah, this is what it is. But I'm happy with it. I feel like I've had a lot of growth since September. Yep, since September. All right. Okay, so month 9, lock extensions are now gone, and I was just so happy to have my locks back with no, fake hair in it. So I started playing with styles and, with whatever I could do with my length. I was able to, this is month 10 now, I was able to do like funky, cute styles. Um, and that ponytail was like my most favorite thing. I did a retwist around this time. And yeah, month 11, still got that ponytail going. So I wore that until my hair, grew out and I really couldn't do it anymore. So now we got into month 12. So I'd made a year. And that's when I started to do my two-strand twist on my locks. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Please stay tuned for year 2.